Hello everyone! So we're back at Solea, but this time we're staying at our Palm Resort. And as usual, I'll be doing a room tour, a little food trip, and show you everything we did at this resort. So if you're interested, then please continue watching.
I want to get the correct cheese bowl. Give me the most.
Yeah. You can get lagi.
I went outside to work.
So that was our old room before.
They can see you. Mommy, let's go now. Wait, Mommy, wait. Come on, I'm not ready to be a real man. So you have to. Soon you're gonna make a family, soon you're gonna have a baby, soon you're gonna have a wife, soon you're gonna have a car. How am I gonna make babies? You saw that? Oh. I am the alcohol. I am the
Because I keep complaining that I'm fat. That's why there's no one.
Oh, it's so nice here on the go.
Yeah, I know.
That's really fresh.
Very good fat.
Your mom, Manila.
siya.
When we get set up, sure we use the cup. Oh, I don't want to. Ready?
Going to the beach.
Look at that spoon.
Sa video. Isn't it so peaceful in here? But nobody's gonna hear you scream. Huh? I mean, it's such a dream.
Maybe you can suck it out, the stuff inside there.
You're building sandcastles.
Wow.
You won.
Look at the view. Look at the view, Mommy. It's so nice.
Where I can see you.
Oh, it's a cool. Oh! I found it in the ocean. I found a lot walking. Hey!
Crazy. Uy. Really? What?
Okay, go. Go, baby. You on the other side. Bye, Lily. Hi. My legs hurt. Yes, if you keep it. But you're never going to pool.
Which pool?
I don't know, a pool you can go to?
Like where?
I don't think it's deep in the ground. I want you to go in a pool.
My tummy hurt. My
Too
tummy
bad, too
hurt.
sad. What did I ask?
What?
You can make human goggles.
How?
Just do this and then, anak, mommy, leave no air, but when you put your head down, mommy, blow bubbles so you can see a little.
Really?
That's
Stairs. Si pambok na daw ko.
where she moved.
Just got back from the rooftop bar. Go. They're imitating me. Anyways, daghan kay guba among room. Like ang TV, di mo tingog. Tanawa. Ano lang siya? See, tanawa ang volume mo. What siya tingog? Sama na. Yang suga sa gawas kay guba pod. Sagod.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Going down.
And let's just record your death, you know, yeah.
Go.
Stop staring at me.
Yuan. Sa playroom.
Your phone.
Ipait na dali ka. Nalagay kayo sa akin.
Oh, just bring my phone.
Lagi kan.
Wait. I think the hot button was for the noodles.
Yeah.
Or coffee. Or...
Inside. Waiting for the pools to open. Kay 9 a.m. pa din siya mag-open. Then 11 on checkout. So sad. Right, Yuan? Yuri, you're excited? Dugay ka ma-open mo? That's so cute.
He won't fit though, he's too fat.
He's too fat. What is
I think
that?
you fed him too much baby food.